Hi friends, welcome to Market Cockpit Information Center. A cockpit, a bundles of knowledge. Today we are discussing about Likita Infrastructure Limited, which is a Hyderabad-based company coming for IPO. IPO means initial public offer. Refers to the process of offering equity shares to the public or raising capital from public. I want to discuss about project of the company, promoters, financials, IPO details, analysis of the company. Incorporated in the 1998, Likita Infrastructure Limited is an oil and gas pipeline service provider in India. The company is engaged in providing oil and gas pipeline, city gas distribution projects, cross-country pipeline projects, and operations and maintenance services as well. It is the first company that has executed the transnational cross-country hydrocarbon pipeline project between India and Nepal. With 20 plus years of existence, it has spread its geographical presence across 16 plus states and 2 union territories in India, from Delhi to Kerala. Company has a strong client base, including both private and public, such as ONGC, Indian Oil Corporation, HCG, GAIL, etc. Competitive strength. Diversified geographical presence in India, strong clientele base, efficient business model, strong project execution capabilities. Objects of the issue. The net proceeds of the IPO will be used against the following objectives: to meet the general working capital requirements of the business, to meet general corporate purposes, to meet IPO issue expenditures. Company financials. Coming to the financials, we are discussing about that 31st March 2018, where company was having total assets. It was recorded 67 crores 22 lakhs 91,000, whereas the total revenue of the company 88 crores 60 lakhs 56,000. The net profit after deducting the tax 7 crores 16 lakhs 22,000. So for the same period, 31st March 2019, the total assets of the company 84 lakhs 57,000 38,000, whereas total revenue of the company 140 crores 54 lakhs 68,000. Profit, net profit after tax 17 crores 85 lakhs 51,000. So for the same period, 31st March 2020, total assets of the company was recorded as 100 crores 85 lakhs 61,000, whereas total revenue was coming to 162 crores 79 lakhs 2,000. Profit after tax, after deducting net tax, is coming to 19 crores 87 lakhs 93,000. Have you noticed about the company financial growth in last 3 years? The company net profit was only 7 crores in year 2018, but on March 2020, the company net profit was raised by 277% within 2 years. That is around 19 crores. This was an incredible growth of the company within 2 years, which shows a strong financial structure operated by only 2 directors and with a strong clientele base like ONGC, Indian Oil Corporation, GAIL, etc. I will tell the details of the IPO dates. The IPO date starts from 29 September and ends with October 1st. Issue type is book building and issue size is 51 lakhs equity shares of tonnage aggregating of 61.2 crores. IPO plus band price is 117 to 120 equity per share. Market lot is 125 shares. Minimum order quantity is 125 shares. Listing at BSE and NSE. And the minimum lot size of the company which offering to the IPO is 1 lot 125 shares with 15,000 minimum price. Maximum, that is 13 lots, 1625 shares, 1 lakh 95,000, and the pre-issue of the shareholding of the promoters are coming to 99.96%, and whereas they after the issue completes with the IPO, the post-issue shareholding comes to promoters comes to 74.11%. Now I am coming on company earning per share data. We have last 3 years data. March 2018, the EPS is 4.9, March 2019 EPS is 12.21, March 2020 EPS is 13.59. By observing earning per share from the last 3 years, the company is having a very strong EPS. Now I will come to return on net worth. March 2018, the return on net worth is 24.83. March 2019, the return on net worth is 43.16%. March 2020, the return on net worth is 33.06%. Even though the return on net worth reduced from 2019 to 2020, that is from 43.16% to 33.06%, the company is strong on return on net worth. Now I am coming on the valuations of the company. PE ratio, that is price earning ratio. Price earning ratio is equal to market per share divided by earning per share. So market per share is taken as 120 rupees, that is highest price brand here, and earning per share came as per the data given by the company 13.59. So we got 8.83. So here the PE ratio is 8.83. Because of this, there is no peers for this sector. Basing on the above analysis, company looks attractive with strong financials. Now I will tell you about the company promoters. Mr. Srinivasarao Gaddapati and Mrs. Likita Gaddapati are the promoters of the company. Only 2 directors right now. Now I am coming on the most important topic, that is company analysis, that is strengths, weaknesses and threats of the company. Strengths of the company. Company portfolio diversified with other several products. Operation maintenance belongs to infrastructure sector, which has huge scope in India. Weaknesses. Financials are up down, sometimes revenues are going down and sometimes revenues going up. This is the main drawback of the company. But as per the EPS data of the company, seems to be stable. Threat. Listing will not be that much attractive as expected. My assumptions, you may get 15 to 30% listing benefit when the shares are listed in the exchanges.